How to use the search function on TAM. The TAM app hosts over 700 services. Finding the right service for you is a priority for us. Let's get started. On your TAM app, click the search icon. Type in your desired keyword. Browse the listing to find your service. Use the filter option to narrow down results. You can filter by persona, or by government entities. Click on Apply. Select your desired service and follow the next steps. Simplify your life with TAM.